welcome to Breaking the Algorithm. Today we're diving into the basics of algorithms, how they work and why they matter in the world of YouTube. Have you ever wondered how YouTube decides which videos to recommend to you? With over 500 hours of content uploaded every minute, it would be chaos without their algorithm. YouTube's algorithm doesn't just show you the most popular or newest videos. Its goal is to find the video that you personally will find the most useful.
Here's how it works. Relevance. YouTube looks at factors like titles, tags, and descriptions to match videos with your search. Engagement. It considers watch time, likes, comments, and shares to understand how viewers interact with videos. Quality. The algorithm evaluates the authority and trustworthiness of channels to deliver high-quality content. Your history. Your past views and searches influence what YouTube recommends, tailored just for